Study after study demonstrates that the arts are essential in the development of children's minds. Public school arts funding is decreasing every day. Private school arts budgets are stretched to the limits. Where are kids going to learn about the performing arts? Today's children are tomorrow's audiences and arts patrons. The things which children are exposed to in childhood become the things they remain excited about later in life. If children don't even experience how to be an audience, what will become of the performing arts in the future? Theater for Young America and Musication Incorporated believe that we must proactively bring performing arts to where the children are, in the public and private school.
Communicate, don't leave it all.
The partnership of Theater for Young America and Musication Incorporated crosses the barriers of borders and language. We are creating new theatrical performances for young audiences that incorporate both Spanish and English. Our productions also include folk culture and music from across the Americas. The surging growth in the United States of people from Spanish-speaking countries, combined with increased travel and commerce among all countries in this hemisphere, offers us an opportunity to explore cross-cultural art and begin building community. Together, we are actively bringing bilingual performing arts to public and private schools across the United States and the Caribbean. In 2002, we will tour the bilingual musical theater presentation called Trains Across the Americas in 3 major U.S. cities with large bilingual populations. For its first project, our partnership has created a musical play called Trains Across the Americas, based on the songs, stories, and history of railroads and trains in the Americas. Danny Cox, the veteran songwriter and performer, has created new music and combined it with traditional folk music to perform in the touring production of the musical.
My books in my hands, walk on off to school. Could have stayed in bed, could have gone to the mall.
Trains Across the Americas explores connections, how people get from one part of the world to another, and how new connections change the very fabric of everyday life. Puerto Rican artists will also perform in the touring production, which will premiere in metropolitan Kansas City.
Too many young girls.
We need your help to make this vision a reality. We offer a number of opportunities for you to participate. Your tax-deductible contribution of any amount will be greatly appreciated and will help greatly in our efforts. Make your check payable to Theater for Young America. Many corporations in the Caribbean and the Midwest have offered support for our previous productions through sponsorship of individual events, in-kind services, and other donations. Many companies realize the future of their business lies in reaching out to the Spanish-speaking community, and that our efforts in building rapport with this community are good for business. Sometimes people wish to become involved on a deeper level than a one-time contribution. Membership in our Performing Arts Guild gives you the opportunity to make your money and time count even more. Your annual tax-deductible contribution of $25 helps support our bilingual outreach to schools throughout the Americas. Your Guild membership will get you a free CD recording from Musication and a subscription to our newsletter. Our partnership's goal is to contribute to the formation of a new community of young people joined by geography and history. We want to help them build a future of mutual respect through the performing arts. Won't you join us in making this vision a reality?
Woke up this morning, nothing in my head. Same way last night when I went to bed. Think I'll get up this morning, put on my walking shoes, put my books in my hands, walk on off to school. Could have stayed in bed, could have gone to the mall, could be with the bad boys, moving in the halls. But think I'll get up this morning, put on my walking shoes, put my books in my hands, walk on off to school. Too many young girls with babies on their hips. Should be at recess, turning flips. You better get up this morning.